For every dollar spent on a CRM tool, you can get a return of $8.71 on average. Sounds promising, right? But there is a catch. To get such a lucrative return on investment, you must choose the most optimal CRM solution for your business. Since every business has unique requirements and expectations from a CRM tool, finding a one-size-fits-all tool can be tricky, especially for businesses with a tight budget. To begin with, a CRM tool for small businesses should be straightforward and manageable. BIGContacts, for example, has an easy-to-use interface designed to suit the specific needs of a small business. It further enhances organizational profitability with its powerful range of features, including sales pipeline tracking and task management. Prioritize and manage contacts by keeping their data well organized. Track upcoming tasks and last touches for all prospects and customers effortlessly. BIGContacts is customizable, so you can adapt it according to your business's needs. BIGContacts is also a GDPR-compliant tool, ensuring the security of your data. Another essential feature that CRM solutions for small businesses must offer is automation in your marketing efforts. Save time with the built-in email marketing functionality of BIGContacts. Automate lead capturing with web form connection and nurture these leads into customers with automated actions. Craft drip email sequences to follow up with prospects at the most appropriate time in the buyer's journey. Since all contact details, tasks, and emails are stored in one place, you can share personalized emails with your contacts. This can improve your sales, helping your small business grow. Go for a tool that centralizes all your data, making it accessible anywhere, anytime. BIGContacts offers a 360-degree view of your business, empowering you to manage contacts, calendars, emails, and sales in one place. It automatically logs touches against the respective contact records. This saves time, enhances team productivity, and helps personalize upcoming interactions. Track tasks, meetings, and notes for all contacts effortlessly. Customize fields, pipeline, and workflows to suit your business. Moreover, mobile access allows you to view essential data from any device. CRM for small businesses must have an uncomplicated and intuitive interface. A hassle-free tool such as BIGContacts can ease the burden for growing enterprises that already have a lot on their plate. Automate repetitive tasks and set reminders for your team with BIGContacts so they can exceed customer expectations. Along with offering enterprise-grade functionality, the tool is also powered with 24/7 delightful support available via call, chat, and email. Simple user interface, easy setup, and a scalable model make BIGContacts the best sales CRM for small businesses. Lastly, see if the CRM tool you're considering offers smart reporting and analytics. BIGContacts lets you derive insightful reports offering a detailed analysis of your business activities. You can track goals and make accurate forecasts. Monitor your performance with ready-to-use reports or build custom reports. You can even store these reports for future access or export them. BIGContacts CRM is a highly effective CRM software for small businesses to boost your sales and revenue outcomes. Sign up for free today and start delighting your customers. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.